Hello everyone, welcome to the Laboratory of Information Technology Evaluation, also known as the LITE Lab. My name is Adam Jones and I'm the Chief LITE Lab Manager.
My name is Elena Martins and I am the Operations Manager here at the LITE Lab. Today we are here to show you how to use the Tobii Pro Lab, our newest software in the LITE Lab.
The software will be used in conjunction with our Tobii Pro Eye Spectrum eye trackers. The goal today is to shed some light on how you would use this software in conjunction with the eye trackers in order to complete your experiments. Let's get yourself started. Here in our eye tracking room, we will now demonstrate how to use the equipment.
First, if the unit isn't turned on, reach around to the back right and press the large silver button on the back. You will hear the fans kick on. You will hear 2 beeps. Now that the unit is on, let's turn our attention to the display monitors.
Once you set up the tracker and it's turned on, we're going to go ahead and log into the computer with our unit system credentials. And then we're going to go ahead and open up Tobii Pro Lab. If the application complains that you do not have a product key, or if you need to activate Tobii Pro Lab, there is a text document on your desktop that's going to start with Tobii Pro Lab license key. If you go ahead and open that up, you can go ahead and copy and paste this key into the program, and this should activate the software as long as this right here, this name, matches the label that's on the computer. Once it's activated, you'll see a screen that looks like this saying that you have a license for full edition. You can go ahead and create or open an existing project. If you don't see Tobii Pro Lab, what you can do is there's a chance that it's ended up on a participant's monitor. However, in the lab, all the computer's displays are chained together, meaning you can pull the document from left to right to get it onto the correct monitor that you are working on. When creating a new project, if you are trying to do an eye tracking experiment, make sure you have the project type set as screen, and then from there, that will ensure that you are using the correct equipment. Going here, you can name the project My Test Project, for example. We'll go ahead and click Create. From here, you can either view the overview of your project with all your recordings and stuff, if there was such recordings already. You can design your project either by adding images, you can add miscellaneous files, web elements, text, etc. And then while you're in here, also double check to make sure the Pro Spectrum Pro TX300, however you want it, in this resolution is correctly selected before continuing. You can also, once you get this done, you can go ahead and click record to begin the recording process.
Once the record tab is selected, you will notice 2 bright red circles appear on the tracking bar, as well as a 2x2 grid of dots on either side. This means the eye tracker is operating and ready to go. You should also see inside of ProLab that the eye tracker selected is the Spectrum, running at 300 Hz, and is set to human. Make sure your presentation screen is set to the non-Dell monitor, and go ahead and select the new button for the participant. Assign a name, the name you're recording, and then you are ready to select Start Recording. On the participant screen, the eye alignment screen should appear. Once that is good, then the researcher will start the calibration.
As you can see, Elena is now performing the eye calibration. This is being done by her following the white dots with her eyes. Once she completes the calibration, the researcher will then advance the stimuli. The system will capture any mouse movements made, clicks, eye movements, patterns, video, audio, etc. in any way that you configured in the study using the Design tab of ProLab. Once the recording is complete, we can go to the Analyze tab to process the data any way we please. From here, we can either choose to export the gaze data, or we can choose to export the recording with this button right here. If we choose not to do that, we can take a look at the whole breakdown of the project by going over to the Home tab. As you can see, we can see our recording, our participant, and timeline.
We hope this video helped you get started in Tobii Pro Lab. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us for help.
Thank you guys for watching, and keep on eye tracking.